Okay, first I want to say hello and welcome the marketing team that's viewing this, is what I was told, supposedly. So thanks for taking your time to watch this. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. The point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. So I'll go over three key factors that are needed to rank on Google to get your business more exposure. You need content, backlinks, and citations. Many companies build beautiful websites, but they fall short when it comes to content and SEO, search engine optimization, or keywords. I'm sure that you understand that every time you type something into here, into Google, you're actually putting keywords in, and Google uses that to find the best websites that fit what you're searching for. And that's based off of your keywords and your content. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. You know that this is the map pack. Citations is what puts you here. Anything with name, address, and phone number shown exactly as your Google business profile will put you right here in the map. It's extremely important to be seen here. A lot of people Google what's near me, food near me, restaurant near me, auto repair near me. And this is how that works. Citations, name, address, phone number, like Yelp, Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Also, everything underneath the map is where the organic rank starts. Yelp, advertisement, that's a national. And yes, you guys are right here on the first page. Outstanding. Awesome. Right above you is Lee's Auto Center. So I want to make some quick comparisons. I've got you, and I can put you in this tool, Ahrefs, and Ahrefs tell me what I'm looking at. 894 backlinks for you, and out of that, you have 118 domains that you connected to. You're working with 490 keywords, and you're getting about 405 traffic a month, views, average, ballpark, average 405 views a month based off of your keywords. I went over here and checked out Lee's Auto Center and put them into the same tool. They're coming up with 780 backlinks to your 894. But out of that, they've got 39 domains out of their 780. And they have 99 keywords out of 380, and they're getting 380 volume and traffic a month based on their 99 keywords. So then you're going to ask yourself, well, obviously I have more backlinks, more referring domains, more keywords, more traffic. But why are they above you? Why wouldn't you be here? So let's take a little peek at this. So it's going to come down to backlinks. So let's take a look at their backlinks. But not all backlinks are created equal. And a backlink is another website linking to another, like pointing in your direction as an endorsement, saying, hey, check this out. So on this particular backlink, domains TNT code, he's got link domains, 49,000 keywords are in there. The traffic alone on that site, 10,000 a month. People go to that domain. People are looking at that. Statistics 02, 488 times. 3,000 times that people check out this referring domain. 10 million times somebody goes to the Yellow Pages. That's a lot. Not everything's created. They're not all created equal. If we take a look at your backlinks, the numbers are up there, but your link domains that are attaching and anchored off to the target are not as high. So it just shows you that not all backlinks are created equal. Traffic starts, well, you're up there. Yellow Pages again, 10 million. There you go. So you're in there. The only thing that I can factor is whatever referring domains that you're getting linked to are not as high. It's not as strong because it's generating a lot more traffic over here for him than it is for you. But, you know, that being said, once your content and your backlinks and citations all come together, I mean, you guys are doing an excellent job. I just figured I'd throw this out there, maybe give you a little more insight of what's going on and why they're above you. Maybe citations, name, address, and phone number. Get you up there in the map pack. But I mean, you obviously understand what you need to build a well-built website and how it helps you rank. And if you didn't, maybe you picked up some key pointers from that. Anyway, I appreciate your time and I hope you have a good evening.